Today we are going to learn NCERT History Class 6. Let's move on to the other questions. Okay. Archaeologists study these objects, buildings of stone and brick, pots, pans, paintings and sculpture, tools, weapons, ornaments, coins. Next question. Which of the following objects archaeologists find could be made of stone? Buildings, ornaments, tools and weapons, metal. Third question. Objects excavated by archaeologists are made of stones and bones, baked clay, metal. Fourth question. From bones of animals, birds, and fish, archaeologists find out what people ate, types of animals that existed then. Okay, thank you.